At first we need to figure out which tooling to use to install the fasteners. The lower tooling, also called anvil, is marked with a Haeger serial number to make identification easier. The same applies to the upper tooling or punch. At first we will be mounting the bottom tooling onto the tool holder, which will be secured by tightening the fast connection lever. Then we are going to install the top tooling. The punch is fixed with 2 Allen screws. Now we are set to get the software going. We switch to the manual mode and select the fastener type. We install a fastener made of steel, FH style, metric thread, M5 size. In this window you can see the default setting for the chosen fastener type. Now we are going to make the machine setup stroke. Insert the fastener in the material, then place it between the punch and the anvil. After the first push of the foot pedal, the punch will travel downwards until it reaches the surface to measure the stroke length. Now, with a second push of the foot pedal, the machine will install the fastener. If the fastener is installed properly, you can go on with installing further fasteners.